Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to separate the first name, last name and S into Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, open your Excel document file firstly, then I show the Excel document. Firstly, now click for the first name. Now keyboard press from the type from the first name. This first name show the Mahmoud. Now type for the Mahmoud. Now keyboard press from the contour A. Sorry. Now select your. Now keyboard press from the contour A. That's okay. Then I show the all the type from the first name. Automatic. And type from the last name. So the last name is Hassan. Now select the all data. Now keyboard press for now Control A. Control A. That's okay. Then I show the automatically control last name. Then type from the is 25. Select and control A. That's okay. Then I show the separate the first name, last name and age in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.